Welcome to the Mobile POS software walkthrough. In this video, we will explore each feature step by step and see how the system helps manage your business efficiently. First, go to the Home dashboard. Here you can see your business overview, including total invoices, total amount, amount paid, and pending dues. These widgets provide real-time financial insights immediately after login. Check the date filters at the top where you can switch between last 7 days, this month, or a custom range to analyze performance quickly. Next, review the payment summary section where you can track payments by method such as cash, EFT, POS, and Afterpay. This helps you understand revenue sources and payment trends. Now move to the monthly sales chart. This visual graph shows your business performance trends, helping you monitor growth and identify patterns. On the right side, you can also see revenue widgets showing yearly, monthly, and today's revenue. Next, go to the Paydesk module. This is the main billing area where you can create invoices, add products, calculate totals automatically, and complete transactions quickly. It is designed for fast checkout and smooth billing operations. After that, go to the invoice section. Here you can view all invoices, edit billing details, track payment status, and manage customer billing history. Now open the catalog menu. Inside catalog, you will find categories to organize product types, brands to manage brand listings, devices for device-specific records, repair parts for service inventory, and products to manage items available for sale. Next, go to Customers. This section allows you to manage customer profiles, view purchase history, and maintain organized client records. Finally, open Reports where you can access detailed analytics, sales reports, and performance insights to help make better business decisions. This mobile POS system is designed to simplify daily operations, improve tracking, and give you complete control over your business. Thank you for watching.